Hello everyone. Welcome to the first video of Hannah Farm Channel. Surely you also know that recently, the topic of farmers, farming and farms is of interest to many people in the world. Because the products that farmers create such as vegetables, fruits, food are all essential and necessary for humans. But surely there are many people who do not understand the process of planting and caring for the products that farmers have to go through. That is why today I will take you to find out how farmers in China grow, care for and harvest strawberries. Strawberries are one of the most delicious fruits and are loved by many people in the world, so I am sure you will also like this video of mine. In China, soil improvement and growing strawberries at home is not only a popular agricultural activity but also an art that combines tradition and modern technology. Let's explore each step of the process, from preparing the soil to caring for lush, succulent strawberries right in your home garden. Soil preparation, improving and enriching nutrients. Growing strawberries requires loose, nutrient-rich, and well-drained soil. In China, people often start by improving the soil. They use traditional methods such as composting organic waste such as leaves, vegetable peels, or animal manure. This compost not only improves the soil structure but also provides essential nutrients for plants. In addition, people also add biofertilizer or micronutrient fertilizer to ensure the soil has enough necessary minerals. To make the soil loose, they use a rake or hoe to loosen the soil, break up hard clumps of soil, and remove rocks and other obstacles. This improvement is usually done a few weeks before planting strawberries, allowing the soil to rest and balance the pH. Choosing the right strawberry varieties. The Chinese are very careful when choosing strawberry varieties. They often prioritize strawberry varieties that are suitable for local climate and soil conditions. Popular strawberry varieties such as Hongyan or Shuibao are often favored for their sweet taste and good disease resistance. Growing strawberries at home. Once the soil is ready, the next step is to plant the strawberry plants. The Chinese often grow strawberries in large pots or wooden crates if the garden area is limited. This makes it easier for them to control the soil conditions and drainage. Strawberry seedlings are planted about 20 to 30 centimeters apart to ensure they have enough space to grow. The roots are placed vertically in the soil, so that the stem is exposed to the air but not buried too deep. After planting, the soil is lightly compacted to hold the plant in place. Watering and light management. Strawberries are water-loving plants but cannot tolerate waterlogging. Therefore, growers must be very careful in watering. In China, people often use drip irrigation or mist irrigation systems to provide a steady and adequate amount of water for the plants. Sunlight also plays an important role in the growth of strawberries. Chinese people often place the plants in a place with direct sunlight for at least 6 hours a day. However, in the summer, when the temperature is too high, they will cover the plants with nets or cloth to protect the plants from the harsh sunlight. Care and pest control. During the growth process, strawberries need careful care. Growers regularly check the leaves, flowers, and fruits to detect early signs of pests. They use biological measures such as hand-picking or using beneficial insects to control pests instead of using chemical pesticides. In addition, growers also prune old leaves and wilted flowers so that the plants can focus their nutrients on developing fruits. Some people also add organic fertilizer or liquid fertilizer to promote fruiting. Harvesting and enjoying. When the strawberries are ripe, Chinese people harvest them by hand, gently breaking the fruit from the stem to avoid damaging the plant. They usually harvest in the early morning when the fruit is still cool and plump. Ripe strawberries will be used right in the family, processed into dishes such as jam, juice, or simply eaten fresh to feel the sweet taste. Growing strawberries in a modern style. In addition to traditional growing methods, in big cities, Chinese people also use modern methods such as growing strawberries in greenhouses or hydroponic systems. These methods help to better control environmental factors, minimize pests and increase productivity. High-rise strawberry growing systems or in compact spaces are also becoming popular, especially in families living in apartments. Land reclamation and homegrown strawberries have become part of the Chinese people's lifestyle, not only to provide clean food but also as a way to connect with nature and maintain traditional values in modern life.